How to create an Instagram account on iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create an Instagram account step by step and super easy. First things first, head over to the App Store if you haven't downloaded the Instagram app. If you have already downloaded it, just open it. Once you open the app, you will see few options. You will be seeing continue if you have already logged in your account previously. You can see use another profile, but if you haven't signed up yet, you can just tap on create new account. Tap on it. Now you can choose to use your phone number or email address, whichever you prefer. Let me just sign up with email. Now enter your email. Now once you enter your email, tap on next. Now you will be getting a confirmation code on your email address. Now go to your email and see your confirmation code. From here, copy the code and simply go to Instagram and paste it and tap on next. Now type in your password. Once you type in your password, tap on next. Don't forget, a secure password keeps your account safe, so keep a secure password. Now it's time to choose your birthday. Simply choose it from here. Once you choose your birthday, tap on next. Now enter your full name. Now once you type in your full name, tap on next. Now you can type in your username. Now once you type in your username, simply tap on next and tap on I agree. Now you can add your profile picture or skip for now and do it later. Just skip it. Tap on continue, or you can just skip it. Skip. Remember it and tap on next. Tap on skip. Tap on next. Tap on skip. Just skip it. And that's it. You are in. Swipe through the set of tips and boom, your account is live. You can now follow friends, post photos and explore what the world is sharing. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and let's know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.